Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, we're going to go deeper in some of the new adjustments that's coming. Right now, we're going to the Finances tab. So the Finances tab is not yet being launched. However, we're adding so many new features in it that the moment it will be launched, you will see it right away, and you will enjoy it, and you will see how valuable it is. So first of all, let me show you exactly what's going on. So right now, we have here the Finances tab. You have here like some of the information like total bookings. You can see your best-selling destination. You get all this information, and of course you can see all your financial data here. This is based on monthly. You can see here the markups and of course the cost. But if you click here on view more and then you click on this tab will be adjusted very soon. This will be all the financial details. And you can see here down you have all the information here of every single booking. Currently, we're still working on this. However, what will happen is, as you can see here, you can see this booking is not checked and this yellow dot is blinking. So why did we do this? We did this on purpose because we want you to first finalize or approve or disapprove a booking. Every booking that will be approved, you will see here, that's the information. If it's disapproved or rejected, this booking will not be shown here, will not be calculated. Next, all the yellow dots are not being calculated in the financials. So what that means is very easy. If you did not approve a booking, that booking will not be calculated within the system. Just for one reason, you as the owner need to check the booking before anything can happen or before we are starting to calculate it, because everything that is not yet approved means it is not yet sure if this is really true. And so once you validate it and you say, alright, this is a booking, that's correct, and if you might wonder, alright, how do you check the booking? Or for example, this one, you want to approve this, you just click here, you can see here, and then here you have the booking status. You can click here, approve. The moment you approve it, at that very moment, it will work, of course. Then you can go back, if you would be approving it. Then you will see here a green dot. Or, well, no more dot. You will not see the dot anymore. You will see the financial details. And from every non-booked or non-checked booking, the financial data will not be displayed. On purpose, because we want to force you to approve and check every booking. Because that is really the job as the owner or the manager. And this is really, really useful because from now on it starts to get more deeper and deeper within the financials, and you can see everything. You can start to analyze really which agent, you can see here which agent booked it, what is the customer name. If you want to know more details, you just click on the booking like this. You can click here on the booking and you go back to the booking manager straight away. So that's really, really focused system to help you to solve your issues. So if you like this, I would like to have this also for your travel agency, just go to couponbet.com and register right away so you can organize your travel agency at once.